Function f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared and g of x are graphed below. Determine equation of g of x. So let's see our two graphs. We have f of x in purple and g of x in green. And we see here characteristic points. We have point -1, -2, -3, 0. We can find the coordinates of that point is -2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 0 we have point, and this point first coordinate is 1 and the second is also 4. What else? When we have this f graph, we see that green is like down. So let's check points of g function. We have this point. This point has coordinates. First will be -1, 2, 3, and the second is 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. This point has coordinates -2, -1. That point is 0 and the second coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, so -5. And this point we can find the coordinates is 1 and -1. And now when you compare these coordinates, we have point 0, 0. We see that the first coordinate stayed the same and the second change was 0, now is -5. In this point and that, the first coordinates are the same. The second is 4 and now is -1. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. 5 units down. This point also is 5 units down. What else? We have -3, 0, and that point is -3, 5. Again, first coordinate is the same. The second change from 0 to -5. So going down, what else? This point also is 1, 4, 1, -1 we have. So the first coordinates the same and the second is 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 units down. We have that every point of f of a function, we take 5 units. Our function f, we take 5 units down. And the first coordinates are the same. So when we have given function f to find equation of g function, because x coordinates are the same, -3, -3, -2, -2, 0, 0, 1, 1, so we have to copy for our g function expressions with x cubed plus 2x squared, and because our graph g function is like 5 units down, so we need to subtract 5, and we have graph of our g function. Why we subtract only 5? Because our g function is like f function 5 units taken down. So this is equation of our g function. This is my solution.